Hey there, fellow Skibi toilet fans. Today, we've got a special treat for you, the Skibi Toilet Speakerman Boss Building Block Set. If you love the popular short video Skibi toilet, then this is a must-have for your collection. This building block set is a faithful recreation of the Boss spokesperson from the video, and it's compatible with Lego bricks, so you can mix and match with your existing sets. It's the perfect gift for kids and adults alike, especially those who are fans of the Skibi Toilet series. We know safety is a top priority when it comes to toys, and that's why we've made sure that this set is made of high-quality ABS plastic material. It's non-toxic, odorless, and BPA-free, with a smooth and burr-free surface. You can rest assured that it's safe for your little ones to play with. And don't worry about missing parts. Our product includes an exquisite packaging box and a paper instruction manual, and if anything is missing, just reach out to us and we'll provide replacement parts for free. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Skibi Toilet Speakerman Boss Building Block Set today. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.